Previously on the Bible in Minecraft.
That's right, today we are going on our first ever missionary journey as part of our mission to save the world. And we are off on our first ever adventure to explore what exactly is out there in this big, wide world. You guys, I think I see a village. I definitely didn't build those houses. That's definitely a village. Paul, we did it! Hello? Knock, knock, knock. Just a friendly missionary and his dog. Knock, knock, knock. This guy doesn't seem to have a job. Excuse me, sir. How would you like to come with us on our missionary journey? Awesome, we have our first disciples that are going to come with us. Peter, I can't wait to show you the ark that we've built. All right, Peter, welcome to your new home. Wait, where's Paul? 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 Paul!
Shalom, my homies, and welcome back to the Bible in Minecraft. We have an exciting episode planned today, and I wish that I could be more excited about it, but I'm just too sad. Why am I so sad, you ask? Because in the last episode, we lost our dog, Paul, while we were on our missionary journey. We lost him somewhere out at sea, and there's no telling if he's still out there. So we're just gonna have to try to move on.
So sad.
Just gonna sadly feed these animals in a sad way. Aren't you guys sad? Yeah, you seem sad. It's been a long time since the last time we played, and as you can see, I've made some new improvements to the ark. I made this little living quarters for Peter, and for all of the other disciples that we're hoping to get too. How's it going, Peter? That's pretty sad. So one thing we're going to do to try to cheer us up today is use a gift that we got. Even the weather is sad. Everywhere I go.
This is very sad.
Back in the Christmas episode, I got these name tags as a gift.
Name tags?
And I thought, what better way to use them than on the disciples? This is the same anvil we used to give Paul his name tag.
Paul the Apostle, I officially bestow upon thee thy name. Now he's ready for his missionary journey.
That's pretty sad.
Too sad.
Peter. Yay. Well, hello, Peter. I have a present for you. Maybe this will cheer me up. Peter, come here. Nope, still sad. Yeah. Looking out the window at the rain. That's pretty sad. You know what? I'm tired of being sad. I really want to cheer myself up. Maybe if I get a new pet, you can never replace Paul, but maybe it would help me feel better. You know? Let's see if we can make a new animal companion. Let's see what we got. Hello, chicken. Do you want to be my new friend?
So sad.
What about you, chicken? Will you be my new friend? He kind of looks like Paul. He kind of acts like Paul, too. Let's see if he'll come with us. What should we call you, new friend? How about Ken? Like Chick Ken. Okay, Ken. Paul used to help me fight monsters sometimes. Let's see if Ken can do the same thing. This seems like a bad idea. But I'm just too sad to care. Okay. This is it. Time to test you out, Ken. There's some monsters coming our way. Ken, don't get hit by the arrows. Come on. Now's our chance, Ken. While they're distracted. You didn't help at all. I did that all by myself. Where were you this whole time? This chicken is just no replacement for Paul. I'm gonna set you free, Ken. Get out of here. Go on, go. Just go. What? Well, at least the rain stopped. Well, I don't know about you, but I don't like being sad. I definitely prefer being happy. I guess that's actually pretty normal. But that brings us to our Bible verse for today, which comes from Ecclesiastes chapter 3, verses 1 through 4. And it goes like this. For everything there is a season, a time for every activity under the sun, a time to be born and a time to die, a time to plant and a time to harvest, a time to fight and a time to heal, a time to tear down and a time to build up, a time to cry and a time to laugh, a time to grieve and a time to dance. So basically, a lesson that we can get from these verses is that it's okay to be sad for a little while, especially when hard things happen. God made us with all of our emotions, and it's okay to take some time to be sad, as long as you know that there's eventually a time to heal, that God will give you peace and make everything better. We just need to ask Him for His help and remember that God cares about us, no matter how we're feeling. And on that note, I'm done being sad. It's time to move on to better things. With or without Ken. Maybe I can build a little memorial to Paul over here in the flowers. Wait a minute. What's that up on the ark? I'm gonna go check that out. That's strange. Let's see what's going on. Excuse me? Hello? Okay. Thanks, I guess. Yeah, I know. I just spent the past 10 minutes being sad about it. So what? Well, yeah, but that would be cheating. I have these rules, and going into creative mode to help me is against them. I mean, no. That's still cheating, though. I'm not going to break the rules, even if it helps me find my friend. Wait, where are you going? And who are you again? Okay. Well, that was weird. Dawn deranged, huh? Definitely a strange character. But maybe he had a point. I mean, where have I looked for Paul anyway? The last place that I saw him.
Okay, Peter, are you ready to go for a boat ride? Peter, I can't wait to show you the ark that we've built.
Wait a minute. Maybe Paul's not lost after all. Maybe he's still just back at the village where I found Peter. Well, if he's still there, what if something bad happened to him? That's it. I know exactly what to do. Okay, y'all. It's time for a rescue mission. We're going to go and save Paul at all costs, no matter what it takes. If there's even a chance that our friend is out there, we have to try to find him. Don't worry, Paul. We're on our way.